Welcome back, people. I'm here in the field today. Come to a garage to try Subway, the new Big Bombay. I was going to go garlic cheesesteak, but I've already done a cheesesteak. So yeah, let's check it out. Is it a fat food of the light or a bag of shite? Alright guys, I'm not going to bore you while I order, just give you a quick sneak of the place. Standard Subway. So yeah, I ordered this bad boy, let's check it out. Welcome back. So yeah, we're here at Subway secretly to I've ordered the Big Bombay. It's a new one, it says on it. So yeah, chicken tikka. It's got lettuce on it. So say crunchy water, onions, tomatoes I've had on, peppers, usual, with some, the sauce on it is mango and habanero, so the spicy and the sweet. So yeah, it's on offer at the moment on any foot long for $4.99. I've gone for the arty cheese and herbs one. So yeah, let's check it out. Is it a fat food you like, or a bag of shite? Is it a tummy tickler, a tickler, or a body trickler? So yeah, let's get into this. Seems to be more sauce and salad than actual filling. Drip tray, dripping everywhere, all over me. So yeah, be careful with this one. Yeah, the flavours are all there. Chicken tikka's nice, salad's lovely and fresh. $4.99 on a deal at the moment, usually $7.49 on their own. Won't buy it then. I feel robbed at a £5, to be honest. But yeah, it's alright, the flavours are all there. Would I have it again? Probably not. I'll probably go for the Philly cheesesteak. They do a new garlic one. I was torn between doing the garlic one or this. But I've done a Philly cheesesteak. You know, it's just got garlic sauce on it, hasn't it? So, yeah, I'll go. Yeah, it's got a kick on it now. I'm feeling the burn at the back of my throat on this butty. Yeah, that's got a spice to it. It's alright though. Now, the wife's seen these nacho chicken bites, so she said you need to try this. So I'm assuming it's alright. Yeah. I've had worse. It's a reshaped, reformed chicken, coated in a nacho coating. They're alright. It'd be nice if they're hot. Bit of a rubbery kind of texture to it, but you're alright. Butty's alright, so Subway, it's decent. But yeah, I'm more of a Philly guy, so I'll be going for that next time if I come to the overpriced world of sandwiches again. So yeah, viewers, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Yeah, I haven't. £5 for a butty. But yeah, take care. See you on another episode of Fat Foodie MCR. Peace.
No,